Hello everyone, I'm Kuldeep Kevlani, a banker and a stock market enthusiast. Let's try to analyze the stock market in the section where is the money moving. So let's directly jump onto the charts. So right now, let's start with Nifty 50 first and see how the Nifty is behaving. See, this is the Nifty weekly chart. Now, if we talk about its trend, definitely it's showing a strong uptrend, but we have to observe it clearly. See, from here till here, we are in an uptrend, correct? But in this particular zone or in this particular region, we can see, let me select a tool, trend line. So from here till here, that means from June onwards, we can see that we are moving in a range, correct? From here to here. So this is a weekly chart and we are in a sideways range. So till here, till May 31st, Nifty was in full uptrend. बट आफ्टर May 31st निफ्टी ने एक साइडवेज रेंज लिया, वो कहीं ऊपर या नीचे नहीं जा रहा है, एक रेंज बाउंड उसमें चल रहा है. सो उसकी लोअर रेंज इज समवेयर अराउंड 15,530 and upper range is 16,000. So it means if Nifty breaks 16,000, it has a higher chance to go up, and if breaks 15,500, then it has a higher chance to go down. So right now it is consolidating, but how the other things are behaving, is Nifty strong enough, is Nifty having a weakness? चार्ट को थोड़ा और ब्रेक करके देखते हैं. सिंस ये वीकली चार्ट है तो एक कैंडल रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है 5 दिन का ट्रेडिंग सेशन. सो लेट्स गो टू डेली कैंडल एंड सी हाउ इट इज एग्जैक्टली बिहेविंग. ओ माय गॉड. सो डेली कैंडल में हमें और भी क्लियर पिक्चर दिख रहा है यहाँ पर कि यहाँ पर निफ्टी इज बिहेविंग इन अ रेंज बाउंड मैनर very clearly, and the boundaries which we have drawn are very robust boundaries. So any side nifty breaking might give us a good breakout or breakdown. थोड़ा सा इसको एनालाइज करके समझने की कोशिश करते हैं हाउ आर एस आई इज बिहेविंग. इफ वी ऑब्जर्व क्लोजली, आर एस आई इज बिलो 50, सॉरी बिलो 60 बट अबव 50. सो अभी आर एस आई का जो वैल्यू है दैट इज 54. द करंट आर एस आई वैल्यू इज 54. सो दैट मीन्स निफ्टी अभी तक नेगेटिव जोन में नहीं गया है, बट यहाँ पर आर एस आई कंटिन्यूसली ड्रॉप होता हुआ दिख रहा है. Though there are divergences, but with the time only we will be able to tell that these divergences work or not. But if RSI also drops, that means momentum is dropping, momentum is not picking up. So we have to wait for the RSI to break above this particular level, which is the level of 60 to 63, and we have to wait for the price to break above the level of 16,020, 16,010, 16,020. अगर वो प्राइस रेंज ब्रेक करके ऊपर की तरफ जाता है, देन वी हैव अ गुड चांस, अ गुड एंट्री टू टेक, टू गुड टू टेक ट्रेड. सॉरी. बट निफ्टी अकेला इस तरीके से साइडवेज चल रहा है. विल इट्स मूवमेंट बी सपोर्टेड बाय अदर इंडेक्स और नॉट? दूसरे इंडेक्स में हमारे पास कुछ चांस है या नहीं, या अदर इंडेक्स इसके साथ पैरेलल इसके साथ साथ चल रहे हैं या नहीं चल रहे? सो उनको चेक करने के लिए लेट्स गो टू निफ्टी रियलिटी फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज निफ्टी रियलिटी. दिस इज निफ्टी रियलिटी चार्ट. कुछ लाइंस मैंने ड्रॉ की हैं दैट विल मेक हेल्प अस अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. सबसे पहले हम लोग जाते हैं वीकली चार्ट पे. वीकली चार्ट में इफ वी ऑब्जर्व, then we have a clear range bound movement for more than 10 years. सी, यहाँ से लेकर पूरा यहाँ तक, यानी 2011 से लेकर, जनवरी 2011 से लेकर एंड टिल हियर विच इज 28 जून 2021. सो बेसिकली 10.5 years यहाँ पर एक रेंज बाउंड मूवमेंट था. उस रेंज बाउंड मूवमेंट को अभी 2021 में, जून 2021 में निफ्टी रियलिटी इज ब्रेकन अप. वो ऊपर की तरफ गया है, बट नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज नाउ द अपर प्राइजेस आर बीइंग सोल्ड ऑफ. सो यहाँ पर इसको हम डेली चार्ट में कन्वर्ट करके देखते हैं कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग. सो एग्जैक्टली द निफ्टी रियलिटी चार्ट इज trying to get into the range, small range, correct, small price range. This is a small price range. So again here also in nifty reality, if we see, though it is an upward movement, higher high, higher low, दिस इज अ हायर लो, दिस इज हायर हाई। तो ट्रेंड इज अप ट्रेंड। यहाँ पर इसने 10 ईयर्स का 10.5 ईयर्स का जो कंसोलिडेशन है वो ब्रेक किया है, वो ब्रेक करने के बाद ऊपर गया। सो नाउ हाउ टू रीड दिस निफ्टी रियलिटी इज, Nifty reality is in strong uptrend. The only thing which we have to be bothered, yeah, we have to look for is that RSI right now on week on daily chart is above 69, which means it is in good momentum. लेकिन ध्यान रखने वाली बात यह है कि ये बॉटम की रेंज को ब्रेक करता है या नहीं। एंड बॉटम की रेंज को अगर ब्रेक करता भी है तो दिस लेवल विच इज 366, इसको वो टच करके वापस रिवर्स करता है नहीं। तो अगर इफ इट टचेस 366 एंड स्टार्ट राइजिंग अप अगेन, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर इट विल बी testing the 10 years resistance, which will be now behaving as a support line. So blue line is the line which was resistance for 10.5 years. If Nifty reality comes down and tests this level and again start rising up, then it is a good chance to buy. Nifty reality overall is in very strong uptrend. The consolidation for 10 years was for 200 points, and it is right now consolidating or for small range, consolidating in small range, यानी वो थोड़ा सा profit booking है या small range में console कर रहा है। So as of now 386 385 is the level which we have to look into कि उसको ये break करके नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए, नहीं उसके नीचे close होना चाहिए। If it closes we have to be cautious and we have to be very careful around 366, और 366 पे अगर रिटेस्ट होगा तो वी हैव टू बाय इन द रियलिटी सेक्टर। सो ओवरऑल रियलिटी सेक्टर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग। नाउ लेट्स सी निफ्टी मेटल। निफ्टी मेटल, निफ्टी मेटल, ये रहा निफ्टी मेटल। So Nifty metal is again behaving in a more or less similar manner. एक यहाँ पर resistance है for a couple of months, and then with these red lines we can clearly see that it is an ascending triangle, और ascending triangle के resistance पे it is standing. If we talk about the RSI is again at the 58 range in the daily chart. So 58 रेंज पे होने का मतलब है RSI is also in strength. So यहाँ पर आज की अगर क्लोजिंग की बात भी करें, दो इट इज अ रेड कैंडल, द क्लोजिंग प्राइस was lower than the open price, but still today's closing price is above than the open price of yesterday. मतलब कल की कैंडल से ऊपर ही है। So still it is in good strength. Today there was a slight profit booking, that's why we have, so I mean we are seeing this particular red candle. So overall Nifty metal is also showing some strength, but here since it is at the resistance line of an rising triangle, so better हम लोग यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा cautious रहें. We should wait for it to break above and let the Nifty metal cross 5420 5425 level, and then above that we should plan to buy in the metal sector. But overall as of now the metal sector looks strong, but momentum has to come and momentum has to continue to bring it above and cross the level of 5500 around. So Nifty metal is more or less also supporting, but yes, it also needs some push to go up. Let's see how Nifty IT is behaving. This is Nifty IT. Good. So Nifty IT is overall strong. Your RSI is already above 70 level, 69 level. Chart levels are already strong. A slight profit booking, we can say that in these 2 days are seen. In दो दिनों में हमें profit booking देखी है, but again still the prices are closing than the previous days close and previous days opening prices. So we cannot say that this is a weakness. This is still in strength unless it comes down to the level of 29,300 something, 300 odd levels, or 29,780 would be the level where we have to see, because there's a gap up over here. Overall strength, overall the trend of Nifty IT is strong, it is uptrend. Let's see weekly chart of Nifty IT, how it is behaving. Weekly chart is also very strongly bullish. It is going up because after a consolidation it has gone up again. It has taken small consolidation over here and then it is moving up. So if Nifty IT crosses the range of 30,060, then 30,060 and 30,140, then definitely Nifty IT is going like way in a like way ahead in a upward direction, and we are seeing a strong uptrend. So Nifty IT is also in a good mood to go up. Then let's see Nifty Auto, how Nifty Auto is behaving. Nifty Auto is more or less in a bearish mode. like RSI is near to the 50. 50 is a neutral zone, so we have to see. But the candle structures closing below supports and closing in a downward direction, probably it is forming a double top. So double top is a good resistance level over here. If it goes below 9,400, then definitely it is going deep below. But अगर इसका चार्ट हम थोड़ा सा गौर से देखें, so 9,400, 9,420, 430 is a good level of support. So that I mean that can be a good testing level कि यहाँ पर ये रेस्ट करके वापस से बाउंस बैक होता है या नहीं होता है. बट एनी डे इफ निफ्टी ऑटो इज ब्रेकिंग डाउन 9,420, 400 levels, then definitely we are going to get some bearish movement in Nifty auto या auto sector. That is what we have to take care of. Now let's see Nifty bank, how it is behaving. So bank Nifty, yes, it is also more or less forming a double top structure. हम लोग को ऊपर यहाँ पे sellers दिख रहे हैं. I mean we can see the wicks on the upper side. So definitely there are some sellers standing over here. हमें levels cross होने का wait करना पड़ेगा to get a clear momentum. RSI as of now is at 58 levels, so momentum is not that weak, but yes, it is not also fast. So above 60 we can see that it might get some strength, but formation of dojis clearly states that there is a bit of confusion in buyers and sellers. They are not decisive as of now. So this is also range bound. So range is 33,930 and between the level of 35,970. So these are the two major big ranges. इन दोनों के बीच में जब तक है तब तक I would suggest not to take any position, but any side it crosses, we have to be with the trend in that side. So bank Nifty as of now is slightly in sideways, as Nifty is in sideways. So sideways का मतलब there is some distribution. But as we saw couple of other sectors, वो strength में हैं, वो strong हैं. So we might see some dip in the market in the short term, but that dip could be used as buying opportunity for the long term, because long term we are like observing that every sector is more or less at the top level or at the all time high level, near at the high level. I mean near at the all-time high level, and or the breakout of that particular pattern where we can see good up move. So be very careful in taking the stocks. I mean for longs, place your stop losses in place. Without stop losses, don't trade because there would be a lot of fluctuations. And if you're a long-term investor, then every dip is a good chance for you to enter in your favorite stock. So keep watching this particular space for more stock ideas or more ideas about the stock market or the direction of the market.